This video will describe to you the proper use of the electric Karcher pressure washer, available for use at UFV. Safety is always important, therefore before you use the pressure washer, you're going to want to put on your personal protective equipment. A rubber apron, a pair of rubber gloves, a face shield to protect your eyes. In the UFV heavy-duty mechanical department, there is a designated area to which pressure washing must occur. This area is in front of bays 1 and 2. Before you begin using the electric pressure washer, you're going to want to ensure that the diesel fuel level is acceptable. Connect your water hose to the port in the bottom of the pressure washer. Turn your water on, and also ensure there are no kinks in the line. Then, plug the power cord into the appropriate receptacle located within the shop between doors 3 and 4. Check to make sure the burner is set to the correct temperature. For this particular unit, for use at UFV, the temperature should be set between 80 and 90 degrees Celsius. Turn the main switch on. Now the pressure washer is ready to be used. Pulling the trigger will activate the high pressure stream of water. You are ready to begin your cleaning operation. Things to note. Be sure that no one else is in your working area while you are pressure washing to prevent unnecessary injuries. Be sure to hold the wand at an appropriate position as to not burn your hands during operation. When you are finished with your pressure washing operation, power down the unit. Wrap up the pressure washer hose and stow the wand. Unplug the power and wrap up the power cord. Turn off the water supply and tidy the water hose. Return the unit to its appropriate place, just inside of bay door.